Hello, 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 hello. Mega love shout out everyone. Rose the Mellow Vlog. Shout out all of you guys. To all my loyal supporters, subscribers. Thank you for always supporting me. Even my simple videos. Thank you so much, mga sisi boys. Shout out all of you guys. Happy blessed Sunday everyone. Sisi Koy Lauren direct to shout out. Sisi Koy Job Sinaway, Sisi Koy Charlie Escada, Sisi Koy Princess Freya, Sisi Koy Nana Anyway Kisi, Sisi Koy Agbiaglagat Conce shout out, Sisi Koy Melot Vlog, Sisi Koy Dekada Chila, lahat ng aking mga Sisi Koy shout out everyone. Holy Marie, shout out Holy. Jared Unlimited Vlog, Kapsat shout out. Aking anak sa Pilipinas, Chard. Shout out anak, kumusta ka na? Sana okay ka lang dyan. Ang aking kapatid sa Kuwait, Juliet Vlog, shout out sis. Ito, nag-vlog ako sa kalsada kasi medyo lumamig-lamig na, so pwede na naman tayo mag-vlog guys. Ayan, dito tayo sa malapit sa park. Kung pumunta sa park kasi maraming lalaki din, so dito na lang mag-vlog. May mga pumangkahi naman. Nels TV shout out. Nel John Vlog anak shout out. Tol Jower, Coach Samuel TV shout out. Taksat Leonardo Gilberto, Lady Toli Patulit shout out. Lady Toli Patulit, gandang babaeng pinagpala. Jelay Channel, shout out Jelay. Kapsat Tiwala Lang TV, Kamahalan Tuyo yung Kamahalan Mixed Vlog, shout out. Di Nagtatamsak Channel, shout out. Hindi ko alam kung sino ito, Di Nagtatamsak Channel. Sisi Koy Agbiaglagat kung siya siya. I miss yung mga Sisi Koy. Jobs in Hawaii, Miss Laren Director, Sisi Koy shout out. And to those who always supported my channel, shout out everyone guys. I love you all. Sana mamonetize ulit ako kasi na-dim ako. Ito guys, here the weather now is good here in Dubai. Little bit okay. Pero hindi pa masyado, medyo ano pa lang mala. Pero okay lang kasi may hangin-hangin na, not like before talagang super init talaga. Now better, little bit good, little bit cold. I mean, nabubulol ako guys kasi nabunot yung isang itim ko dito. Hindi ko ma-display yung itim ko kasi malalagyan ko pa na. Thank you to all of you guys, to all of you who always supporting my small YouTube channel and my simple videos. I love you all guys and thank you. Big thanks to all of you guys. Yun lang. Happy blessed Sunday everyone, and Rose the Mellow Vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe me. I love you all. God bless us all. May Allah bless us all. Ayan, may dahon to. Baka may ahas. Thank you.